Good morning, kids. Sairam. So today we are going to make a very interesting and very small craft. We are going to make craft folding by one half part of our craft paper. So here we are going to make craft made peacock. So with this peacock, you can decorate your table or your showcase. You can keep the small peacock anywhere, so you can do it easily. If you want to decorate the feather of peacock, you can decorate with glitter or with the stickers also. So here we start. See all the steps. If you don't understand any step, go back and see again. So here we start. So see, I have made like this peacock we are going to make. So see, I have made here two peacocks. See, like those two peacocks with one paper I have made. So here like this, you need only one craft paper, any color, whichever color you are having available with you, and a Fevicol. So only two things here you require, only one paper and Fevicol. So first divide your paper in half. Divide your paper in half, fold in half, fold very properly. See, all the sides should be equal. Fold very properly. Press it tightly with your nails because we have to cut this paper. I am cutting here directly. You can cut with using scale or with scissors. You can cut. I am cutting here directly. But see, perfectly your paper should be cutted. So you can use scissors or scale. So like this, take a perfect cutted paper, then fold in half. Fold very properly. See, like this, fold in half. Both the sides are equal. See that. You will get here a middle line. So from both the corners fold a triangle. From both the corners fold triangle. Slowly do this because all the folds should come perfect. Then only your peacock will look perfect and nice. So see, your triangle, both the lines should be equal. See, like this. Now one more time you have to fold till middle line like this. Fold very carefully and perfectly. Other side also again fold. Join the middle point. Then fold till middle line. See, both the corners should be on the same line. If not, then adjust the fold. Adjust the fold if it is not on the same line. See, back side it will look like this. Now the paper, square paper, you have to fold till the last triangle point. See, like this. Press it tightly. So when you will fold back side like this, you will see at the corner. Now this is the square, like this it will come. Now here we have to make a fan fold, but very thin lines you have to take here. Don't fold your fan broad. See how much thin I have taken. So very thin fan fold you have to make because we are having your small paper. So very thin fan fold you have to make here. See, now make a fan fold. Fan fold you know how to do, right? Make very thin folds, make very thin folds for this fan fold because we are not having much paper, we are having less paper here to make fan fold. Like this, if you want, you can make big paper peacock also, but of rectangle shape paper, and you can make eyes also on that peacock. So see, like this fan fold will come of thin lines. Now turn, see this, fold inside one small triangle to show the peak of triangle. So like the small fold. Now this remaining triangle you have to fold in half. See how I am folding. Fold in half like this. Now see how you have to adjust the feathers and peacock. See this step very carefully. Hold in hand and make there again one more big fan fold. See, like this zigzag fold you have to do there. You can see how I done. See, like this. Then you have to fold in half all. That peacock also body you have to fold in half, and this feathers also join both the feathers. See, then like this shape will come. If you not understand this step, then again go back and see one more time. Try one more time. See, now this you have to fold up. Put your finger in middle, then fold up. Adjust the fold. This fold is little hard but not more. If you try, it will come. See, like this you have to press from both the sides. See, like this body will come. Then again peak, bring in front like this and press from both the ends. Now here in middle you have to stick both the feathers. Apply Fevicol. Don't apply more Fevicol because paper is very less. Apply very less Fevicol and stick both the sides. Press it tightly. And spread the feathers from both the side. See, like this from both the side. See, like this our peacock is ready. So like this our small peacock with folding, it is looking very nice, right? So like this I have made two color peacock, that is pink and violet color peacock. So it is looking nice. Hope you enjoyed this our easy made peacock without scissor, without any material, only just one craft paper and Fevicol. So it is looking nice, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Try best.